In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a beneficiary to your Robinhood account. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Robinhood, go to the bottom menu, and select on the profile icon just like so. Afterwards, please go to the top right, select on these three bars, then scroll down until you see the section called settings. So here it is, and then you just want to go ahead and click on it. From here, you'll see this section that says beneficiaries, and that's where you're able to add your beneficiaries. So please go ahead and click on it just like so. From here, select on the account that you want to work with. So for this video, you can go ahead and select whatever you want. So let's select on Roth IRA. Then what you want to do is you want to press on add a beneficiary just like so. From here, please go ahead and select on continue. And then you're able to choose the beneficiary type. So whether it is an individual, like for example, a brother, a parent, etc., or a child, and we have a trust right over here, which is also something that you could do as well. Let's just select on individual, and then you're going to need to input their legal government name. You're also going to need to input more information about them, such as their social security number, their address, their date of birth, other important stuff, and of course, their ID. So the other person is going to need to have a valid ID on standby, whether that is a driver's license, passport, etc. The point is, they're going to go ahead and need to have one. So then afterwards, you're able to go ahead and select on the terms, like what percent of your account you want to give them when you pass away. So that is also where you need to go ahead and figure all that out, but you're able to go ahead and configure it from here and get started. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.